How's everyone today? This is William A. Thomas, host of T&J Radio, coming to you guys with a quick report about DMX. God rest his soul. Unfortunately, DMX'S fiancée, Desiree Lindstrom, and his adult children are in a heated battle over his estate. Nearly 3 months after DMX's death, that battle has begun, and it may not be pretty. Desiree Lindstrom is fighting over his assets. DMX didn't have a will. Lindstrom is the mother of his 5-year-old son Exodus. She petitioned the court to be legally declared his common law wife, but it was denied. For those of you who don't know, New York State hasn't recognized common law marriages since 1933. In most U.S. states, I think it's about 39 out of the 50, they no longer recognize common law marriages. So if you're thinking about those type of things, you may want to speak with an attorney to see if those type of things are existent or legal in your state, because a lot of times people go by false information. Now this is starting to get heated. DMX has 6 adult children right now that are filing and petitioning to be administrators. So the issue may not necessarily just be between them and her, it may possibly be amongst themselves. DMX has 14 legally recognized children, but New York requires heirs to be over the age of 18 to be appointed as executors for any estate. So the fact that DMX does not have a will, that's a big problem, and it's caused issues amongst his family. Desiree tried to get the court to name as the common law wife, which some people have taken it as her trying to muscle her way in, which would mean she would have taken precedence over the children, but the court refused. DMX had an estimated worth of negative $1 million as of January. Now, one thing about that can all change. As you've seen with Michael Jackson's estate, unfortunately, Michael Jackson was worth more after he passed than during the time when he was living. So with different sales and different things getting released, you never know what can end up happening in regards to that. So everyone's fighting for a reason. Now, to everyone else, let me say this really clear. You have to have a will. It's the last love letter that you can leave to your family. 7 out of 10 Americans do not have a last will and testament. About 9 out of 10 colored Americans do not have a last will and testament. But 10 out of 10 Americans will end up needing one. And if you don't have a last will and testament, your state will have one, and you may not like it. And at the end of the day, when you think about it, the state, they're going to pretty much try to name the number one beneficiary of the state as the state. And then everything else falls however it falls. Guys, we have to get that taken care of. Have to get that taken care of. There have been people fighting over spoons and forks, plates, Bibles. There are siblings that don't talk to each other to this day over there not being a last will and testament, and arguments over those type of items. So I would encourage everyone to seek an attorney, talk to someone to get a last will and testament. They usually range somewhere between $500 and $1,000. If you have to save money little by little to be able to get one done, I would encourage everyone to go and get one. If not, then you're going to pretty much leave the family to decide how everything goes, or you're going to leave the state to decide how everything goes. Just imagine if someone bought a car but never got the titles. This type of stuff does unfortunately happen all the time. Get it taken care of. This is Will Thomas with T&J Radio. That was your sip of T&J. We thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Be sure to share and hit the like button. Peace.